एंड करिकुलम ऑफ टीचर एजुकेशन के हवाले से है। इंट्रोडक्शन। द टीचर इज सीन एज key agent in successfully bringing about change in education, but changing the teacher development is most neglected area in change policies and plans. Teaching is the single most important profession in the world that need continuous professional growth and grooming. It is a fact that Pakistan is one of those very few countries where the system of education has constantly eroded since independence. The situation at times is so worst that government has officially declared our system of education to be almost collapsing and is employing all possible ways and means on emergency basis for the speedy uplift of our educational system. Meaning and nature of teacher education. It is well known that the quality and extent of learner achievement are determined primarily by teacher competence, sensitivity, and teacher motivation. The National Council for Pakistan Education has defined teacher education as a program of education, research, and training of persons to teach from pre-primary to higher education level. The teacher education is a program that is related to development of teacher proficiency and competence that would enable and empower the teacher to meet the requirements of the profession and face the challenges therein. Teacher education is equal to teaching skills plus pedagogical skills and professional skills. Teaching skills. Teaching skills would include providing training and practice in different techniques, approaches, and strategies that would help the teacher to plan and impart instruction, provide appropriate reinforcement, and conduct effective assessment. It includes effective classroom management skills, preparation and use of instructional materials, and communication skills. Pedagogical theory includes the philosophical, sociological, and psychological considerations that would enable the teachers to have a sound basis for practicing the teaching skills in the classroom. The theory is stage specific and is based on the needs and requirements that are characteristics of that stage. Professional skills include the techniques, strategies, and approaches that would help teachers to grow in profession and also work toward the growth of the profession. It includes soft skills, counseling skills, interpersonal skills, computer skills, information retrieving and management skills, and all above lifelong learning skills. Nature of teacher education. Teacher education is a continuous process and its pre-service and in-service components are complementary to each other. According to the International Encyclopedia of Teaching and Teacher Education 1987, teacher education can be considered in three phases: pre-service, induction, and in-service. Teacher education is based on the theory that teachers are made, not born, in contrary to the assumption teachers are born, not made. Teacher education is broad and comprehensive. Besides pre-service and in-service programs for teacher, it is meant to be involved in various community programs and extensions activities, adult education and non-formal education programs, literacy and development activities of the society. It is ever evolving and dynamic in order to prepare teachers who are competent to face the challenges of the dynamic society. The crux of the entire process of the teacher education lies in its curriculum design, structure, organization, and transaction modes, as well as extent of its appropriateness. As in other professional education programs, the teacher education curriculum has a knowledge base which is sensitive to needs of field applications and comprises meaningful conceptual blending of theoretical understanding available in service cognate disciplines. Teacher education has become differentiated into the stage-specific programs. This suggests that the knowledge base is adequately specialized and diversified across stages. It is a system that involves an interdependence of its inputs, processes, and outputs. Need of teacher education. It is common knowledge that the academic and professional standard of the teacher constitutes a critical component of the essential learning conditions for achieving the educational goals of a nation. Educating all children well depends not only on ensuring that teachers have the necessary knowledge and skills to carry out their work, but also that they take responsibility for seeing that all children reach high levels of learning and that they act accordingly. People come to teacher education with beliefs, values, commu- commitments, personalities, and moral codes for their upbringing and schooling, which affects who they are as teachers and what they are able to learn in teacher education and in teaching. The National Academy of Education Committee report Darling, Hammond and Bransford 2005 wrote that on daily basis teachers confront complex decisions that rely on many different kinds of knowledges and judgments, and they can involve high stakes outcomes for students' future. Teacher education, like and any other educational intervention, can only work on those professional commitments or dispositions that are susceptible to modification. The Ministry of Education Document Challenge of Education, a policy perspective 1985 has mentioned teacher performance is the most crucial input in the field of education. Scope of teacher education at different levels of education, triangular basis of teacher education, aspects of teacher education. Curriculum. The aim of the curriculum of teachers training institutes as well as colleges of the education is to impart all-round comprehensive education for the prospective teacher. Their function is to integrate general and professional courses with the base of subject matter as well as the art of teaching. In most of institutions, the duration of the teacher training courses is 3 to 5 years. Every teacher training program includes following three basic constituents: general education, professional education, and specialization in a particular field. Gaps in the existing structure and curriculum. Teacher education has been treated as activities within the education system instead of using it as means to improve quality of students' learning in the schools. A problem that these donor-funded projects or programs pose in the length and frequency of the trainings that they provide to teachers and head teachers. Unfortunately, teacher education in Pakistan has distanced itself from global trends in thinking about reforms in teacher education. A proposed framework for teacher education, a systematic response is needed to address teacher education and teacher practice in Pakistan. The framework for addressing issues of teacher education comprehensively must be three concurrent dimensions: measures which address teachers' competence, motivation, and opportunities. Boston 2004. Policy and educational provisions across schools, district, provincial, and national levels, supporting shifts in curriculum and practice both pre and in service. Policy on teacher education. The policy on teacher education, both pre and in service, need to be long-term, embedded in a vision, set of criteria, strategies, and operational procedures which are inclusive, provide scope of elevating teacher status and provision of authority for local level flexibility in decision making. A systematic institutional provision must be made to include voices of teacher in the policy making process through regular and formal social dialogue forum at the professional provincial and national levels, providing space to professional associations and experts. A robust and credible database on teachers need to be established within EMIS at national and sub-national levels for information on pre-service and in-service profiles, disaggregated by level, subject, gender, and location. Research on teacher education programs, pre and in-service practice in the classrooms, and students' achievements must regularly feed back into theory to provide regular objective evidence for policy reinforcement, reflection, and upgradation. The policy must create space for addressing the status of teachers through their professional standing, certification, protocols, as well as through benefits and salary packages. Incentive programs need to be instituted for teachers, which are monetary and non-monetary, in order to address the crisis of teacher placement in rural and distant areas. Academic disciplines. The typical academic disciplines of secondary school teacher educations are foreign language, mathematical sciences including mathematics, physics and chemistry, computer science, computer technology, biology, botany, zoology and genetics and geography, social sciences including history and economics, religion and philosophy, home economics, textile, handicrafts, technical handicrafts, technology, art and music, sports. Secondary school teacher education. In secondary school teacher education, the components of didactics is focused on issues how to teach school subject to different learners. In American educational literature, a corresponding element is very often called as pedagogical content knowledge. In the Finnish case, these studies can have very close relationship with learning, research, academic discipline, studies and teaching methods. A typical feature is the research orientation. Teachers are seen as active professionals who have a right and obligation to develop their work. The aim of teacher education is that teacher internalize an attitude of pedagogical thinking, improving the quality of education. Defining quality is exclusive, but some parameters will need to be drawn. There is an impending need to debate and agree on what constitutes quality at each stage of education and system overall. Based on this, some standard will need to be defined and pursued through development of policies, strategies and plans which target them. National Education Policies Reform Process. IPEM, Provinces Areas, NEP, reviewed and revised plans of action for reforms, implementation of reforms, identification of new issues, provinces, areas, federal, progress monitoring.